Hi, I'm Jim Springer with Computer-Aided Technologies, the people who produce Scancat-LitePlus. In this tutorial, we're going to use a Pro 97, which has 10 banks of 100 channels, and show you how to use the Mr.Scanner FCC databases that come with the combo as the public safety database, or separately as the Mr.Scanner 2008, which is a complete set of public safety and commercial frequencies. We have a shortcut on our software. Instead of having to go through the menus, you press F5, which will take you to the application folder, which in this case Scancat-LitePlus. But we need to know where our CD is. You have to have the CD in the drive, and if you do, you will see all the drives listed when you click that little right button up here at the top. This one is SCL Public Safety, which is on our combo CD. Choose this. Takes a second for the CD to spin up, and then you will see all of the DAT files. You may not see the extension depending on how Explorer uses this extension, whether it shows it or hides it. All states are two-letter acronyms, so Louisiana is LA. Once you pick your state, then you have search for Mr.Scanner CDs. You have a number of options, and you have a quick guide on how to use all of the features of the search engine, which we give you for keywords, or you can search by radio service codes. If you search by radio service codes, make sure that you check this box. Otherwise, it will ignore what's in here. So for this instance, we're going to use the simple keyword search of police and see how many we find. The top database will open, and it will show all of the hits from the search of the CD that have the word police in them. Sometimes if this doesn't show up, you'd have to go up here and click on Show Top Database, because we have a switch to keep it from showing up when you're not doing any searching. Now you have about 17 records in here. Some of them are aircraft or parish police jury, Louisiana State Police. So if we picked 3 of the Louisiana State Police, we want to copy these 3 records to the bottom database. Where the cursor is on the bottom database is where this copy will begin. Also, it is by bank, so depending on which bank you have selected, that is the bank the frequencies will be copied into. There are a number of options on this copy menu. The top one, which also can be used using Control+F, copies what's highlighted or selected up on top to the bottom. So look where the cursor is on channel 2, and that's where the frequencies will be copied. Then if you want to do another copy and find other records or highlight them and put them in another bank, you may not want to redo these, so you can just erase the ones that you've already picked. Go to another bank, pick a number of different frequencies, choose copy, paste, and there we go. If we were to use the same search as a demonstration and you wanted to add some more down here, then you could use and it'll start here skipping these 3 lines. Go to a different bank, copy the same ones over here, and so on. Now we're going to show you how to use multiple keywords and also the police codes to define and find frequencies regardless of whether the keyword shows up in the description or not. So we press F5 again. It's already shown la.dat, so all you have to do is open that file. And in this case, we're going to use the word Shreveport and Bossier, which is Bossier City across the river from us. But we're going to also put radio service codes checkbox to use. We're going to check this right here. And if there's any service code picked, for instance PS for public safety, what this means is these two words will find a hit, but you still have to have the PS in addition to the words before a record will be picked. See how this works. Each time you do a search, a little box pops up, wants to know if you want to append to an existing search. I'm going to say no this time, but if you said yes, it would add to what's already up there. And notice that only radio service PS for public safety is included in this search. You can sort a column by any alphabetical sequence that you want. So if we went down here, we got Bossier Medical Center, Shreveport Willis-Knighton Medical Center. I want to pick all the Willis-Knighton, which is a hospital here. And then we want to put those in a separate bank. Just click right there. Let's try this. We go back to Banco, and we also want to include that. So we don't want to erase over the top of this. So we start on channel 6, hit copy, paste, and there they are. Now, we're going to go back. This time we're going to pick P for police departments. Okay. Simple as that. If you know your service codes, you can pick them. There's also a description over there on the service code to give you a little help. These are conforming to the national service codes, so it should be applicable anywhere in the United States. Okay, pick an extra bank, drop them in, and there we go. Now let's go back one more time. We got about a minute left, and search for just Shreveport and Bossier, but without the service code. Takes a little tricky to figure out which keywords or what method will find all the frequencies that you want. I think I sorted it too quick. Wait till it gets through. Okay. There we go. Now I'm going to go down here to Caddo, Parish Communications, which is my trunking system. Just about running out of time, but we wanted to show you real quick what to do here. Make sure you pick all of the trunking frequencies, checkbox, each one with the little red check, and go over here and pick your system by pressing the pull down. Let's type 2800 for this one, and that should take care of it for this tutorial. You can continue to do this. You can continue to search by even using the RSD files. So you can take a lookup, make sure that you save your file before you use these lookups, because what you click on here is going to erase what's already over here. Then you'd have to start all over. Thanks for your support, and thanks for your business. See you on the next tutorial.